Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have Thai chili to go Patsu chicken noodles here. Here's what it looks like, and then I'm going to open it. It has chicken, broccoli, a special soy sauce, and some noodles. Here's what it looks like, and I have peanuts here. Here's what they look like. Actually, very good. And then I have hoisin sauce here and sweet and sour sauce. Let's try the hoisin sauce first. It's like teriyaki sauce. Probably works well with it. It's actually kind of surprising me. My friend Isaiah says this place had like the best orange chicken, but they don't even have orange chicken, which is quite now. Well, this is a Thai place. I don't expect it. Like I do, maybe a Hawaiian place or maybe even a Japanese place. Next I have sweet and sour sauce. I've got some of my hand in some hoisin sauce. Ooh, kind of spicy. Overall, I'd have to give it a 9.6 out of 10. That was my review, and 800 millimeters.